Students, today we are solving ISI M.MATH question of 2021. This is a subjective paper. This question is of real analysis. The question is as follows: f of 0 to 1, 0 to infinity is a function. Assume that there exists m greater than equal to 0 such that this is follows m greater than equal to x 0 to 1. So we need to show this is a countable structure. So let us presume that x1 x2 dot 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 xk in the statement of the problem are distinct. Otherwise f must be mutually, or rather say identically, a zero structure. Okay, so let's denote a of n is x 0 to 1 f of x greater than equal to 1 by n. So then this x f of x is not equal to 0, and that is union n equal to 1 to infinity a n. So we will show that each a n is finite. So indeed x1 x2 dot 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 xk belongs to n are distinct. So then m greater than equal to summation of f of xi greater than equal to k by n. So I equal to 1 to k. So k less than equal to nm, and the set an has at most nm elements. So which makes it countable as well, and the final answer to this is as follows.